satellite dish removal head cam. Here you go, Jay. I'll cut this bitch fast. We got to be careful with this bitch. I know how these.
Sauce on your side.
Okay. Once you get the electricity, I'll get the sauce ready. Okay.
Thought you said what?
Fuck, you really didn't leave any passes.
You knock on the door, let them know we're here?
Huh?
I knock on the door, let them know we're here?
Yeah, go ahead. All good. Set up. You just need electricity, so you need to run the electric pole. Johnny in this XPT driving left only ready for us to go. There's a satellite dish behind us. It'll take about 20 minutes to get rid of. And then there's two on the side of the house. We'll even see if we can get those. But we're gonna start working in just a second.
There she got a ladder.
I got my phone. They probably have one. Big rod. Get the electricity hooked up. nosy as fuck.
What she said?
She's just nosy. How many jobs we did today? I was talking to her. Be nice and courteous. Alright, guys. We have a... Alright.
She gonna hook up the electric for us?
It's right there. We'll jump over the fence. We can get it.
Oh, just tell her come over the thing. I ain't jumping over that fence.
Look, walk through there. I'll hand it to you, bro.
Oh. You got, I ain't 21, bro. I ain't doing.
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, start time lapse. Oh, you fucking bitch. GoPro, start time lapse.
Huh? Trying to plug it up so we can cut it. You use that plug right there?
Yeah. Okay. Now, I hope it works, because I'm having trouble with some of the outside outlets.
Hey, see if you got power. Okay.
Oh, good.
Okay.
That's what I'm calling. One of the things on my list is call an electrician, because the ones in front, none of the front ones work. So, oh, all right. Do you need to take that ladder with you if you go? Or?
Yeah, maybe I see what we're gonna do on these.
Oh my God! Hey, I need wasp spray, man.
Yes, I
Oh, a
have.
lot of it. Holy cow! Everything is power.
Oh my gosh, you know, I never realized we had it there. Hold on.
You got a nest?
Yeah, dude. I was this far.
Soon as you hit it.
My face on it too, and didn't see him.
Hey, soon as you hit it, they finna come out.
I'm gonna kill them all too. I'm not scared of them. GoPro, start time lapse. GoPro, stop time lapse. She's looking for you.
I'm right here, man.
GoPro, start recording.
Need more, I got a little more.
We have hornet spray.
Those things terrify the heck out of me. You know, I never even considered here. Do they just go around with the... I'm gonna back up.
Oh, boy, it's gonna be a shootout. They're inside.
Huh?
They're inside.
Give me the other one. Bring me the other one you got.
Yes, ma'am. We're gonna need two. You get the ones that get away from me, okay?
Okay.
Head cam. This is gonna be good video. Here's what we got going. Usually I don't stop these head cams for any reason, but there is a huge wasp nest. Jay, look at me. There's a huge wasp nest in this satellite dish, and we're gonna kill them. And this delays us by a good 10 minutes, right, Jay?
Mm-hmm. You gotta kill them though. They're gonna bang your world up.
There they are. All right. Huge wasp nest inside the satellite dish. Let me show it to you guys. They are right in there. I don't want to get close to them because once you irritate them, you're screwed. So.
You think they got irritation?
I mean, I think we're gonna.
I think they get in defense of their property.
Yeah.
Do they have a property?
Yeah, this is their property.
It's
they
there.
paid for it. Yeah. They've been in the satellite dish for years.
What's your cut? What's the cut for this?
2 cuts. Right where they're at, where I was about to start cutting, is right here. Right here.
Uh-huh.
And then right there, the dish falls off.
Right.
2
okay.
cuts. Just 2 cuts.
Then boom.
And then I can cut it third time right down there.
What you charging?
150, and then we'll go get those.
How much are those?
Charge you 50 a piece.
Oh.
Get it for 250. That is not bad. She's got a ladder. We'll climb up there really fast enough. You'll climb up there. Shit. Make it worth our while. So I'm gonna spray here. You stand over there.
And spray up.
You spray this way. So I'll spray like this, right? I'm gonna go like this, right? You spray that way. That way you don't hit me.
Okay.
Probably knock him out with the one can, but I want to be safe.
How many you see?
5 looking at me. They in their pose. They're launching pose.
They finna take off too, ain't they?
Yeah, they about to take off, yeah. It's too hot for
They red, ain't they?
Yeah, they're hornets. What do they call it? Wasps. These are
They
wasps. Look at them right here. Come here. Look right here. See them? Fucking
They
launching.
ready to take off.
Yeah,
they ready to take off.
They ain't gonna have no chance.
What do that stuff do to them?
You stand right here at this angle right here, Jay. Aiming like.
I'm gonna spray like this, cause they're gonna come out.
Yeah. Get the but let me chill them. Let me hit them first, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Then you hit them second. Yeah, I might kill them all at once. No reason to use this lady's spray can, you know?
We use all
They'll
that
start
shit.
drop off like flies anyway.
We use all that shit.
God, they're looking at me too. They are looking.
She's so slow.
She's so slow. So what we're doing, guys, right now, let's just talk about what's going on, Jay.
Ringing around the rosy, practice for the poses.
So this this satellite dish has hornets in it.
Fully loaded.
Fully loaded. And
Battleship.
oh, there they are right there. If you can see the hornets coming out of their nest right there, they're right there. And
There she
what we're gonna do, I'm gonna shoot them. I'm shooting them from this direction here, and Johnny's gonna come in from this direction.
Oh, she got 3. Oh.
Oh yeah, you got some. She's got the owner.
Hey, I'm scared to death of these things.
Oh, that's okay, honey. We got them for you. They'll be dead in just a second. We just want to be safe. Be sure we want to get them for you, all of them for you. Okay?
Thank you, yeah. Go ahead.
Okay.
I'm going to the store tonight. I will be happy to get one more.
No, it's good.
Wow.
All right, so here we go. We're about to kill them, guys. This is gonna be a great video. Stay tuned for running of Johnny, because Johnny gets scared. Jay, don't get over there.
No, I was looking at the. I was looking at
Here
they.
we go. You want to go inside?
Oh, okay, great.
Ma'am, not only do we do jungle movie, we are waltz and hornet detectives.
We had them pinpointed just a second ago. You ready?
Yeah.
Are you okay out there?
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, we'll be fine. You go inside. Hi, guys. And this is how you kill a hornet's nest. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Get on one. One took off. One took off. Get on. All right, stand back. Get the vibrations. Here they go.
Badass screw. That should have been your angle the whole time. You catch the weight. You catch the weight.
snap, it'll snap, it should snap. Oh, hold on, it's not gonna snap with this piece. Snap it off.
Yeah, cut that bit right there.
Oh, perfect. That's you, Jay. I'll take care of this.
This got to be a firm situation on where this going.
That's in the back of the truck.
The back of the
You
truck.
can fold it if you want. Step on it. We'll start folding. It's made of aluminum. You can bend it. You want me to cut it again?
Nah, I'm just trying to see. It's a big boy.
Yeah, it bends in pieces. You want me to cut this? Yeah, that's exactly how we do it.
Hey, you know they eat bees, right?
What does?
Wasps.
Oh, really?
Yeah. They will. Nah, I think that's hornets. I don't know. Let me cut. You fold that hoe. Let me cut. You fold that hoe.
Well, you're gonna have to get that one low, dude. This blade's not good no more. Yeah, I've killed the blade.